absolute masterpiece. Now, I think the last time I saw this car, were you on Power on Petrie?
Yeah, took it down to Power on Petrie.
This was one of the first cars that I actually saw with a Nelson racing engine in Australia, which is pretty rare. And anyone that knows those Nelson motors knows that they're well over 1,000. So tell me a little bit about the build on this car.
Well, it's got a full chassis under it, so these are usually a unibody car with a front clip like the HQs. So the whole floor got cut out, we put a full chassis under it, street rod garage chassis. Grafted new seals into it, extended them down 1.5 inches. The seals.
And the interior looks like it's definitely not the normal Camaro interior. You've obviously done all that custom as well, right?
Yeah, well, it's all metal. The interior, the consoles, that's up behind the seat. The dash is fiberglass, but the rest of it's all metal.
And tell me about the good stuff. What is the motor setup? What is it?
It's a 406 small block with a Tremac 6-speed behind it. It's got 1,500 horsepower and 1,300 pound of torque.
Well, mate, it looks absolutely awesome. And looking at it up close, it just looks spectacular. Good thing you...
Hello, Papa! Oh, this bike we've seen around a few times. Have a look at this. Let's do a spin around it. Yeah, really nice. Oh, there's Cole's, my brother's car. This thing presents so well. I love the colour. Absolutely love the colour. Beautiful car. Little Charger.
Yeah.
Not sure what that is. Oh wow, I don't know if you can pick up on this paint. Someone's alarm's going off. No, it's not mine. Oh, this might be Terry's. That is beautiful. That's a stunning car. I think it's for sale. I think, if that's the right one. Absolutely beautiful. It is for sale. Yeah, that's Terry's. 100 and something thousand, huh? Have a look at it. Absolutely
I'm not buying it.
immaculate. That is beautiful. Actually, one of the best examples I've seen, I think. Honestly.
You want to go in the car, but we don't own these cars.
That is exceptional. Oh, rat rod. Squeeze through, sorry.
Move that away, Dad.
How cool is that? Very cool. I don't want to miss too many here. We've got quite a few cars along here. The Falcons, the beautiful Ute over there. FX over there at the back, that looks beautiful. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. We've got some really good toughies here. That FX in beautiful condition. Some real toughies here.
I've never charged it, never jump start, never done a thing to it. It's fucking, and like I just changed the fuel
That is
system.
incredible. There's another beautiful example, turboed V8, twin turbo, absolute animal. Oh wow, this is stunning. So phase 3 GDHO, number 71 of 300, and it is immaculate. Oh wow, all of these are stunning. You have to come back and do down through the centre.
And then I had a mate's car the other day.
Looking tough, this one. Very nice. Oh, old school Monaro in original condition. 55, I think. Nice. Very nice. Stocky. 351 it says, so that's beautiful. Another VL. Yes, please. Alright, let's go back and walk up and down some of the aisles. Check them out. See you later. Alright, we had to stop and look at this one, so I thought it was just a Proton. Alright, a Ute. No, this is running full Evo running gear. So all underneath, the whole thing, basically running Evo running gear. All-wheel drive, absolutely incredible. It is a absolute beast. It was one of the first customers at MLC Light and Heavy Mechanical. Elvin, I think it was his car. a real tribute to him. He built it, but it is not just a Proton. This thing is fully built, absolute beast. So well done, mate, you did well. Just outside the car park now, and yeah, heaps of good cool cars. Unfortunately, Gibble's decided it doesn't want to work, so a little bit bouncy. But even out in the car park here, well, that's nice. Look at that, Roy 68. Got a little car club over here. Oh, look at these, beautiful. I got the FX, that is really cool, that one. Really nice XP coupe, beautiful. The Knobmeister, here's Nobby's car. Yeah, some very cool cars out here. We'll go and have a look at this FX. Very nice setup. How's it going?
Yeah, good, how are you?
One of my favourite cars.
Thank you.
Little blow-through turbo, absolutely beautiful. Sounds amazing too, this thing. Got the Mustang going on. See, quite a few around parked around the back. It's really cool. Nice HR 350 HR. Seen this before. This thing is awesome. Very nice. That sounds cool. Got quite a few cars out here actually. The old Gano. 57. Beautiful. Oh, the Bronco. Gotta love that. How cool is this thing? Is it a Bronco? International. Really need to learn my American trucks, don't I? With a hot rodder. Oh, look at this clean VL. That's very nice. I think that'll go in Dad's garage quite. Yeah, that'll fit. Don't need to measure it. That's very clean. Nice. And it's a turbo. Let's use a stocky. Manual turbo VL. Yep, that'll be good. I'd like that. Oh, really nice Tirana, another nice VL coming out here. The old bug even, he decided he was going to go get a bit excited. That's a beautiful colour, that one. Old school stance. Very nice. Oh, there's cars everywhere, it's fantastic. Really great event, right on the water. And yeah, you're not going to go wrong here, I can tell you. Yeah. I know.